Hello guys, nice to see you. This is Fiona from ratchetshoes, and today I'd like to show you the newest Jordan 13 black cat twist, guys. And okay, now let's check out the details. Here you can catch the side, and it almost the black color. And you can check the side pattern. And also here you can catch the jumpman and the logo on it. And check the front, you can catch the toe box and the front. Also here you can catch the reflective success. And for this part success, you can check it can reflective, and the tag also turn to the back, and the other side you can also catch a pattern, and also for this special soft part, and the carbon fiber here. Check the inner part, you can catch the special insole. On it, and also here you can got the size tag. Here you can catch it. Finally, check the bottom. Here you can got the jumpman and also carbon fiber. And let's take another to check more closer on quality. And the toe box, and you can check this special part, and the reflective surface with the black color. And also here you can catch the sun hole on tag. The jumpman, the side, you can catch the side pattern. And check this part, it looks very nice, and also the great quality for the carbon fiber. The back, and the other side. Also here you can check inside to get the insole, and also the inside size tag. Check the bottom. Also here circle for the jumpman. And also here is the box, you can catch the silver box. And for the circle jumpman, red jumpman, turn to the box table, catch the size, and also here you can catch the okay, that's all for this purchase. If you like it or you want to see more details, you can check on website ratchetshoes.com. Thank you for listening. See you next video. Bye.